Hello all, have a great day. Myself Dr. B. Ramesh, Dean Industry 4.0 and Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Now I am taking care of Industrial Robotics Lab. It is Kuka-Jj Industrial Robotics Center, and this facility only few colleges and universities are having in Tamil Nadu, or even we can say in India. We are one among that. So for that we are very grateful to our management, Chairman Sir Dr. Ramurthy, and Vice Chairman Engineer Chandru Selvan Sir, and our Principal Dr. P. Madhirajan Sir. And the need for this facility is in industry, they are having, in future we are having automation industry, and in automation industries we need robotics. But nowadays students are studying only what is robotics, what are the basics like the theory part. But if we give them robot, they are not able to operate it. So this is the gap between the industry and the academia that we are bridging it. So our management have predicted what is the need for the future, and they have given this facility to our students. So here we are teaching students how to program the robot, how to move the robot both online as well as offline. And for teaching offline, we are having one software called Kuka simulation software. And using this software, we are teaching students how to move the robot virtually, and how to generate the program, and how to copy it and put it in the smart pad and run the robot. So we are doing both. We are moving the robot physically and generating the program, and also we are creating the program online. So this facility will enable this facility and this course definitely will enable the students to apply for internship in the automation industries, as well as it will enable them to apply for career in automation industries. So once again, I thank the management, Sowdambikaa group of institutions. Thank you.
Thanks for this opportunity. Myself Navata, I am pursuing my computer science and engineering in JJ College of Engineering and Technology with esteemed group of Sowdambikaa Institution of Technology. We specially thank our Chairman Dr. Ramurthy Sir, Vice Chairman Dr. Chandru Selvan Sir, Principal Dr. Madhirajan Sir, and Dean Industry of 4.0 Dr. B. Ramesh Sir. Our college provides a robotic course with extraordinary lab facility. Our Professor Dr. B. Ramesh Sir gives us a training about robotics. We not only learn theory but also we got experience in jogging and programming the industrial robot physically with Trichy. Now we are a part of robotic society and we have a confidence to apply an internship and job in automation industry. Industrial Robot Lab was found in few colleges in India and ours is one of that. Once again, we thank our management for giving this opportunity. Our team has 5 members as they are. Me Navata.
Myself Fast and Figurium from CSCA, pursuing in JJ College of Engineering and Technology.
Myself NM Haris in Department of CSE in studying JJ College of Engineering and Technology.
Myself Kuka-Jj F, doing Electrical and Electronic Engineering in JJ College of Engineering and Technology.
Myself J. Hana, doing Computer Science and Engineering in JJ College of Engineering and Technology.
In this program, we are going to execute in automation mode.